The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.
A second person accused of ballot petition fraud admits she did it, but the case is not over for everyone involved.
And are you still planning for trial?
That's what we did today.
Live with Rick Shaw in high definition. This is WSBT News at 6.
Well, she admitted she certified ballot petitions that had fake signatures. But Pam Brunette said she never forged any signatures to get Barack Obama or Hillary Clinton on the 2008 presidential primary ballot. Tonight, Brunette pleaded guilty to forgery, falsely making a petition, and official misconduct. WSBT's Kelly Stepsinski was in the courtroom, and Kelly, the prosecutor, didn't give her a plea deal.
No, Rick, that means her punishment is solely up to a judge, and no special arrangements were made in exchange for that plea. But the special prosecutor from Evansville did drop 3 of the other charges Brunette faced.
2 of the 4 people charged with creating those fake ballot petitions more than 5 years ago admitted their part in it. Bev Shelton agreed to testify against her former co-workers in exchange for a recommendation of no jail time. Pam Brunette wasn't given that option.
Ms. Brunette, anything you'd like to say? Will you be testifying against your former co-workers?
No comment.
She'll likely be subpoenaed to testify against former St. Joseph County Democratic Chair Butch Morgan and former voter registration worker Dustin Blythe.
Mr. Morgan, it's my understanding Pam and Bev intend to testify against you. Anything you have to say about that?
No, I hope you have a good day.
The special prosecutor appointed to the case says he got a call from Brunette's attorney last week after Shelton's guilty plea.
Does it help her, hurt her to make this decision? Does it help you?
Well, you need to ask her that. Yeah, it's one less person I have to try.
Prosecutors will also call Lucas Burkett, a former Democrat voter registration worker. Burkett admitted he forged some signatures, but claims he told his bosses a few days later he didn't want to do it anymore. He also cooperated with prosecutors from the beginning. Special Prosecutor Levko plans to call between 20 and 40 more witnesses to testify, including some people whose signatures were allegedly forged. The big question now, will the other 2 plead guilty before their trial starts?
And are you still planning for trial?
That's what we did today. You need to talk to my attorney about any of this stuff.
As you saw there, Morgan and Blythe also in court this morning for a previously scheduled hearing just to confirm the trial date. The special prosecutor has already subpoenaed 16 people to testify. That includes 2 Indiana State Police investigators.
And Kelly, Pam Brunette facing, what, 14 years in prison?
That's right, but it's very unlikely that'll happen because she doesn't have any previous convictions on her record. She could end up with probation, home detention, community service.
And what about Morgan and Blythe? Trial still ongoing here coming up?
It is. It's set for April 22nd. Morgan and Blythe will be tried at the same time, same judge, same trial.
Okay, Kelly, thanks for that update.
The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.